Hello and once again welcome back to NEET Decoded. In this video, we will understand the process of meiotic division in oogonia, ovulation and zygote formation by discussing a NEET question. So let's start. The question is, meiotic division of the secondary oocyte is completed 1. Prior to ovulation, 2. At the time of copulation, 3. After zygote formation, and 4. At the time of fusion of a sperm with an ovum. Now, within the fetal ovary, millions of oogonia or gamete mother cells are formed. These enter prophase 1 of meiosis, after which further division is arrested. Now, they are called primary oocytes. Now, each oocyte gets surrounded by a layer of granulosa cells, which are basically hormone-secreting cells. And now these are called primary follicle. You can see here in this picture, the primary follicle here. There is degeneration of follicles from birth to puberty. Due to this, from 60,000 to 80,000 primary follicles are left inside the ovary. Now there is more deposition of granulosa cells, and these now become secondary follicle. You can see here, deposition of granulosa cells causes formation of secondary follicle. Further, a fluid-filled cavity appears, which is called antrum. You can see here in the next diagram. In the next stage, antrum appears. The primary oocyte now completes its first meiotic division and a large haploid secondary oocyte is formed. This occurs within the tertiary follicle, right? So this is the tertiary follicle. After this, the tertiary follicle changes to a mature follicle, which is called Graphene follicle. It ruptures and releases the secondary oocyte from the ovary. This process actually is called ovulation. Here, Graphene follicle is formed. It ruptures to release the ovum. And this is called ovulation. Now, the ovum released by the ovary reaches the ampullary region of the fallopian tube. And if the sperm is available right then, it fuses and fertilization takes place. Now, copulation is the process of mating, which causes fertilization. You can see here in this picture. Now, the secretions of the tip of the acrosome of the sperm helps it to enter the cytoplasm of the ovum. The acrosome is the tip part of the sperm. So it releases certain substances because of which it enters the cytoplasm of the ovum. And at this stage, the meiotic division of the secondary oocyte is completed, right? So this forms a second polar body and a haploid ovum. You can see in this flow diagram that after the meiotic division has taken place, an ovum and a second polar body is formed, right? So the haploid sperm nucleus and the ovum fuse to form a zygote. Here, meiotic division in secondary oocyte, you can see after fertilization is taking place. So for MCQ practice and revision notes, please log into brigademy.com. The link is given in the description box. And right, so after discussion, we come to the conclusion that the answer is meiotic division of secondary oocyte is completed at the time of fusion of a sperm with an ovum. Now, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for NEET biology content. And thanks for watching.